For construction professionals, understanding project creation, client setup, and vendor management is crucial for streamlined job site expense tracking. SpendFlow's favorite system automatically allocates invoices to your preferred projects, clients, and subcontractors, letting you focus on construction work instead of administrative tasks. To start your setup, navigate to More and select Team to invite members and assign roles. User for submissions or admin for full control. This ensures proper workflow and accountability. Access the Create New Client screen to begin client setup. Start by assigning the client to a project manager. The type is automatically set to Client. Enter the required client name and unique client code for job identification and cost tracking purposes. Add comprehensive contact information, client's email address, phone number for urgent site coordination, complete business address for invoicing and project correspondence, and tax ID for compliance and reporting. Review all entered information for accuracy, then click Create to save your new client to the system for construction expense tracking. Create construction projects in SpendFlow through the Create New Event screen. Assign the project to a construction manager or site supervisor. The type is automatically set to Event. Enter the required project name and unique project code for easy job site identification and expense categorization. Set your project start date and completion date using the calendar picker. Enter the total project budget to track spending limits against contract value. Add the construction site location for geographical expense tracking and material delivery coordination. Include crew size or subcontractor count for per worker cost analysis. Review all details for completeness, then click Create to save your project for construction expense management. Creating a new vendor in SpendFlow is essential for construction supplier and subcontractor management. Access the Create New Vendor screen to begin the setup process. Start by assigning the vendor to a project manager from your construction team. Enter the required vendor name and unique vendor code. Choose the vendor type from 3 construction categories: supplier for materials, service for engineering or surveying, or contractor for subcontractor work. Add essential business information, vendor's tax ID, complete business address for material deliveries, contract email and phone number for urgent site coordination. Set payment terms like net 30 or due on receipt to manage construction cash flow expectations. Toggle the preferred vendor option to prioritize frequently used suppliers and trusted subcontractors. Once all information is complete, click Create to save your new vendor to the construction system. Streamline your construction expense workflow with SpendFlow's intelligent default system. Mark any client, vendor, or project as your preferred default by selecting the star option. When you scan new receipts, SpendFlow's AI instantly assigns them to your star defaults, eliminating manual categorization and reducing potential billing errors. Export functionality integrates seamlessly with your accounting systems. Filter expenses by date, categories, or team members, then export to Sage, Xero, FreshBooks, or as CSV and Excel formats. This eliminates double data entry and maintains financial consistency. Advanced Analytics transforms expense data into business intelligence. Generate customized reports identifying profitable departments and cost centers. These insights enable strategic decision-making, optimize spending patterns, and focus resources on high-performing segments for sustainable growth. Transform your construction expense management from manual paperwork to automated efficiency. Download SpendFlow today and experience streamlined construction expense management that works as hard as your crew.